a great choice today with the 2018 Nissan Armada. The Nissan Armada seats up to 8 comfortably, boasts an endurance V8 engine with 317 horsepower, 385 pounds of torque, and 9,100 pounds of maximum towing capacity. Set foot in an Armada and set off on the ultimate driving adventure. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, navigation system, remote engine start, all-wheel drive, power passenger seat, stability control, tow hitch, traction control, lane departure warning, steering wheel audio controls, power liftgate, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless start, aluminum wheels. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.